Credit unions may look like banks from the outside, but they're unique because they are member-owned, non-profit cooperatives that don't have to answer to stockholders. This allows them to be very customer-focused. Asatan Ba explains how Brooklyn Cooperative Federal Credit Union works.
A credit union is a member-based financial cooperative that's operated for the purpose of promoting financial inclusion or community development. So in our case, Brooklyn Co-op is located in Brooklyn, primarily in Bed-Stuy and Bushwick. We work with all businesses, however, who are located in New York City. The only thing is that to qualify for a member, you just have to share a relationship with Brooklyn. And it could be that you grew up in Brooklyn and moved out, you went to school in Brooklyn, you have family in Brooklyn, you have friends in Brooklyn, you have a business in the Bronx maybe, and have customers who live in Brooklyn. So that's pretty wide, and we have members throughout New York City.
They can be a great source of capital, offering everything from short-term, long-term, secured and unsecured loans to SBA, working capital, commercial, and startup loans. A few credit unions even offer lines of credit, equipment financing, and industrial or commercial real estate financing. While credit unions have regulations on how much they can loan to small businesses, they usually have very reasonable rates and may be able to get you the amount of funding that you need. Qualifying for a loan with a credit union tends to be less stringent than other traditional lenders. If you have good credit, you can usually secure a loan. And some are even willing to work with you if you have poor credit or extenuating circumstances. You may find that certain credit unions are specializing in a specific trade or industry. Each credit union will be unique, but again, investigate the ones that are focused on the type of business your company does, or are affiliated with organizations that you or your company belong to. For example, USAA is one of the biggest credit unions in the country, and membership is based on military service. This membership can be passed down through generations. Even if you aren't active military or have never served, you may still qualify. Credit unions are an increasingly important resource entrepreneurs can turn to for their business funding needs. To learn more about credit unions, visit Smarter Choice at asmarterchoice.org.